Welcome to Naika. See, I will make a video for this comment. So I think he is facing some issue while he is simulating rover. Now I will make the rover simulation using the autopilot software in the loop. So you can also do. So first of all, open your mission planner. So after open this mission planner, you directly go to the simulation tab. In the simulation tab, you can choose this rover simulation. It will ask for latest firmware, that means dev. Now which is in dev, not at tested. If you want to, you can click it latest. If you want stable, you can choose between these two options. I am going with the stable. Okay, if anybody wants to go with the latest, you can go with, no problem. So I choose stable. Now firmware related files will be downloaded. So this type of problem is arrived, right? Now we need to go Mission Planner simulations. So we need to delete this SITL software in the it should delete permanently. Oh, refresh. Okay, again you need to go simulation tab, choose the rover, stable. Now simulation file will be downloaded. We need to wait some time. So this type of problem, we need to uninstall the mission planner. Again we need to install mission planner. So I am deleting the folders. So first of all I am closing the folders. Go to control panel, and in parallel I am doing this mission planner download. So latest mission planner I need to download. So here I will give links to you. So in downloads I will be download. So here our mission planner, latest mission planner is downloading. Now we need to go control panel, search for mission planner. Mission planner, where is it? MIS, press the mission. Yeah, here it is. Delete, uninstall. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Please wait. So now Mission Planner completely uninstalled from my PC. We'll check. Yeah, oh, latest Mission Planner downloaded also. Now we need to install. So some warning will become, you need to skip that warning, no problem. Install, it's going to be install all the things. After it will ask for the drivers, the drivers are now installed. So every driver is installed. U blocks. So you can check NXP 3D robotics. So after install, you need to click on finish. So newly installed Mission Planner I opened. After fully open, you need to go for simulation tab. So here you will get new changes. So latest dev, beta, stable, skip download. So this is the new interface for the Mission Planner. So I can select here stable, okay, and I will select for rover. So this guy is Ascona. So I'm trying to simulate the rover, but it is not happening. You can please help me. So these type of errors will become. At the time you need to uninstall the total Mission Planner and you need to again reinstall. So point here is in document folder you need to delete everything regarding Mission Planner. So your system document folder is there, right? In that you need to search for Mission Planner. Before I deleted this, now again this is came. Yeah, you can check with my time. So this is the my time 1:30, 1:32 now presently. You need to do this for overcome such type of simulation errors. So come to the simulation. So this is the very main if you want to develop a lot of applications, okay, Mission Planner already gave you nice simulation. Nice simulation means, so you have map interface and you have graphical interface. So you can see, you can give missions, okay, you can interface with the sensors. So everything is there. It's just Mission Planner for multiple users. So it's made by the engineers and used for the engineers. So coming to this tab, you can choose whatever you want. Skip download, it won't work now because there is no software in the loop, firmware is not there, right? So first of all, when you are first time, that means you reinstall the Mission Planner, you need to be select at least one. So I'm selecting this icon. So it is downloading. So regarding firmware, behaviors, firmware configurations, parameter files, everything will download, okay, from this server firmware dot. So here every firmware will be there. So it is asking like, you see now, so you need to give permissions. So public, because everything is routing and IP, right, internet protocol. So this file is software in the loop. If you can check the name here, so this the directories. So rover.exe, this is the Windows supporting file. So when you went to the documents folder, Mission Planner, SITL, you will see this. So these files are again recreated and neatly designed. So this is the simulation directory. So now you are seeing here rover icon is there. So on map you are seeing nice rover icon. So on heads up display and quick tab, here altitude is there, so mean sea level. So go to the data and you can plan here. Actually go to plan and you can plan here. So waypoint number 1, so this is the waypoint number 1. Okay, just for trial, that's it. So make it here. So waypoint number 2, waypoint number 3, waypoint number 4, waypoint number 3. So something you will see now. Waypoint number 7. So maybe here some expo is there, right? So here it will drop some material. Again you need to do the return waypoint navigation, so like this. So then there is no chance of your rover will miss. So this is the kind of real-time mission you need to do with the rovers. So if you have autonomy, you can do your autonomy. So using some sensors, advanced sensors, you can do autonomy. So last I will add RTL waypoint. So return to, I am writing. So doing autonomy, I will do another episode. In that episode I will describe how you need to do these autonomous missions and what are all the autonomous sensors. So now self-driving cars are there now. So those are all autonomously they are going. Autopilot is very versatile firmware, so you can embed any type of the vehicle in this stack. So software stack already have all position, heading and altitude reference, so you can use every type of vehicles. So you need to define your vehicle. So we'll go with the navigation. So I switch it to arm and I switch it to auto. So when I switch it to auto, are you seeing it is following some path? What I did, it is following. Are you seeing now? So this is the beauty of Mission Planner simulation. And if anybody is facing this type of error, you need to uninstall all the Mission Planner folders which is available in the documentation of your document folder of your system. Then you need to again download the latest version of Mission Planner and you should install in your computer. Regarding that Ubuntu you need Mono. So Mono is the one package. It will run Windows application in the Ubuntu. So using Mono you need to open the Mission Planner. In Windows directly support is there. Saying we can check with the message what the status of the rover. You are seeing now? See how nicely it is following. So if anybody wants to do commercial project, you can do. If any commercial projects are there, we have a services. You can contact our services through my mobile number. I will give my mobile number in YouTube. So we will do some commercial support also, and we will give educational support also. So utilize our services. This all about you are facing some error while working with rover. So I think it is understood by you. If anybody is not understood, please ask me in comments. So it is arrived home, just to disarm. So disarm. So let's see, rover arrived So that's it in this video. Again I will make another video.